and this is Teacher Grace for the part 2 of the week lesson in grade 5 about adding and subtracting fractions and make fractions with and without regrouping. So this time, I'll show you on how to add and subtract dissimilar fractions. Okay, before we're going to go through the process, I'm going to present to you again or to review on what is all about dissimilar fractions. Simply, dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominators. So if you're going to look at the example here, 3/5 and 4/7. The denominators of these fractions are 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 are different numbers. So these are examples of dissimilar fractions. So let's go to the process on how to add this one. The first thing you're going to do is to find the LCD or the least common denominator of 3/5 and 4/7. So how are you going to do this? You're going to look at the denominator. The denominators are 5 and 7. So since 5 and 7 are prime numbers, all you have to do is to multiply 5 times 7. And that will be the least common denominator of 3/5 and 4/7. Then we are going to use 35 as our denominators here. So we're going to change 3/5 and 4/7 into a similar fraction. So here you are going to rename the fractions into a similar fraction. And how are we going to do this? Okay, just look at the process. So here, you're going to write 35 as your denominator. Then we're going to look for the numerators of these two fractions by using 35 as our least common denominator. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. You will get 7 here. So remember, the process on how to do this is division. So you divide. Then you have to multiply 7 by 3. So what is 7 times 3? You will get 21. So do the same process. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So if you're going to look at this, these are now similar fractions. Then if you are now in this portion, all you have to do is to follow the rules in adding or subtracting similar fractions. So how are you going to do this? So here, you have 21 over 35 plus 20 over 35. All you have to do is to add their numerators. So 21 plus 20 is 41. Then just copy the same denominator. Then after that, we are going to reduce our answer to lowest term if possible. So look at this answer. It's 41 over 35. Since this is an improper fraction, we can change this into a mixed number by just dividing 41 and 35, or 41 by 35. So 41 divided by 35 is 1, and the remainder will be 6. So the remainder will be used as our new numerator, and you still have to copy the same denominator. So therefore, if you are going to reduce 41 over 35 to lowest term, this will give you an answer of 1 and 6 over 35. So the question is this already in the lowest term? Yes, this is because the common or the greatest common factor of 6 and 35 is 1. So that's it. So if you are going to add 3/5 plus 4 over 7, it will give you an answer of 41 over 35 or 1 and 6 over 35. And that's it. Again, this is Teacher Grace saying, Math is for life. Ang mathematics ay buhay. Kaya tara na, gawin nating makabuluhan ang ating buhay. Matuto na. Bye!